Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is The Blood Will Never Lose Its Power. And guys, this is an oldie, but it's a goodie. And we're doing the Smoky Norfolk version. Guys, we're in the key of B flat on today. And this song was requested by Lee Haywood. Thank you so much, Lee, for this awesome request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of B flat. Let's get it. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the awesome Smoky Norfolk in the building. He's going to come through and bless us with his awesome voice. But meanwhile, we're going to do like we always do. We're going to stretch our hands. We're going to crack our knuckles. Yep, I think we got it. Let's receive the awesome Smoky Norfolk with The Blood Will Never Lose Its Power. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So this song is a beautiful hymn. We're starting off with It Reaches. That's how they start off. It reaches to the highest mountains. All right, let me give you that. So we're starting out on our 2. We're playing our C major chord. We're just adding this D right here. And then we're going to our 5. We're playing this F major chord. And he kind of holds it for a long time. You know, because they hold it for a long time, you want to be able to do something. Like, it reaches. You know, you can do something like that. So what I'm doing is I'm playing C, A, D, B flat, C, A, B flat, G, and then I'm playing my F major chord. Then they go to the highest mountain. All right, what are we doing? We're going B flat 2 chord, going to our 5, F major chord, going to our 6. We're playing an E flat 2 chord, and we're playing an F2 chord on the 7. They love to do that, right? Let me give you that. All we're doing is we're playing our B flat sus 4 chord, and then we're playing our 1, and that's a B flat major chord. And then he kind of holds it. He go and you got to play some chords, a lot of chords, just to fill in the blank space, right? So it's and, right? So what I'm doing is I'm on my 2 flat. I'm playing my B dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 2. We're playing our C dominant 7 chord. Remember, we're filling space in, right? So we're going up. We're just walking up. We're going to our 3. We're playing our B flat 7 chord. Going back to our C dominant 7 chord right there on the 5 flat. It flows. Now we're going to our 5. We're playing an F major chord. You know, I like to just hold this and I'll do something like this. So what I'm doing is I'm playing my E, F, C, F. Then I'm playing my D, F, B flat, F. Going right back to that first chord. E, F, C, F. Going right back to the second chord. D, F, B flat, F. Then we're going to this chord. C, F, A, F. So all together it'll sound like this. Sound beautiful, right? To the lowest valley, right? Same as we learned before. All we're doing is we're just walking up from the 5. We're on our F major chord, going to our 6, E flat 2 chord, going to our 7, F2 chord. Doing that same little thing that we did earlier. Then he goes, oh yes, right? I know you want it. Let me give it to you. So what we're doing is we're going 6. We're playing our B flat 7 chord. Going to our, we're going to our 2. We're playing our B flat 7 sharp 5 chord. Then we're going to our 5. We're playing our A flat 7 chord. Then we're going, I love this chord. Really all this chord is just a C chord. We're just adding that D and we're playing our A flat major right there. All right. And then of course they go to church. The blood. Yeah, let me give you that. This is church, guys. You got to grab it. We're on our 4. We're playing an E flat major chord and we're going F minor, E flat major, D flat major, going to our C minor, and on our B flat minor chord. That gives me strength. Right, we're just going right there to the 5 flat. That's a D flat diminished 7, one of my favorite chords. I love that chord. From day, right, going to the 5, B flat major chord. Today, right, yeah, let me give you that. So all we're doing is we're going, I want you to keep your finger right here on this F, and all we're doing is we're playing this tritone. The tritone is A flat D, and we're on a 1. Then we're just dragging everything down a half step. All right, that's a G, D flat. We're going to our 7. All right, we're still on that F, right? And we're just going G flat and C now, and we got our 7 flat. Then we're going to our G flat dominant 7 chord on the 6. They're doing this nice turnaround. Beautiful little turnaround. All I'm doing is I'm right here on my 4. I'm playing my G flat diminished 7 chord, and I'm just going up to my 3, and we're playing this F diminished 7 chord. It will never lose, right? So all I'm doing is we're going to our 2. That's the E flat 6 chord, beautiful E flat 6 chord. Going up to the 3, B flat major chord. Going to our C minor chord on the 4. Lose. I heard them do that. It's a beautiful turnaround. On our 4, we're just playing our G flat minor chord. Going to our G minor chord on the 5 flat. Then we're going to our F dominant 7 on the 5. And then we're ending right there on our 1, regular B flat major chord. Now we're going into our song. So of course the song have a beat. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 beat, right? It's like a clap clap beat as we call it. So it's like a all right, so let me give you that little pass that I did. We're going kind of like the same thing I showed you earlier with, we're just doing it in B flat now. All right, so all I'm doing, let me give it to you very slowly. We're playing A, B flat, F, B flat. Then we're playing G, B flat, E flat, B flat. Going right back to that first chord. A, B flat, F, B flat. Then we're going to our G, B flat, E flat, B flat. Then we're going to our F, B flat, D, B flat. All right, then we're going into this little thing. Let me give you that. So we're on our 6, and we're going G, A, B flat, C, chord. Right there on our 2, we're playing this beautiful chord. This is our C dominant 7 chord. Reaches. Then we're going to our 5 and we're playing our F dominant 7. They're playing this nice walk up. Tell me that don't sound churchy, guys. Let me give you that. We're going to our 7, F major chord. Going to our 1, G minor chord. Going to our 2, that's an F major chord. Going to our 3, B diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5 flat, that's a C dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 5 and we're playing a F major chord. To the highest mountain. we're doing this, we're going 5, F major chord, going up to the 6, E flat 2 chord. It's recycled chords, guys. We played these chords earlier, remember? Now we're going to our F2 chord, and we're playing that on the 7, going to our 1. All right, then they're doing this beautiful turnaround. Look. Let me give you that. And so we're on our 3. We're playing our B flat major chord, going up to our 4, C minor chord, going to our 5, B flat major chord, going up to our 6, E diminished 7 chord, going up to our 7. We're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 1, and that's a B flat major chord. Of course, we do it again. Walk up. All right, here's where it changes. All right, what is that? We learned it in the solo part, right? So we're going O. We're on our 6. We're playing our B flat 7 chord. Going to our 2. And we're playing our B flat augmented chord. You see that? We're playing our A flat 7 chord on the 5. And right here we're playing our B flat 13 chord on the 1. The blood E flat major chord on the 4. That gives me strength. Going up to our 5 flat. That's a D flat diminished 7. From day, B flat major chord on the 5. Today, we're going to our 7 flat. We're playing our A flat major chord. Then we're going to our G major chord on the 6. Then we can just walk up. Alright, what is that? So we're walking up. We're going to our 7. We're playing our C minor chord. We're going up to our 2 flat. We're playing our F diminished 7 chord. Beautiful chord. E flat 6 chord right there on the 2. Walking on up. That's 3. We're playing our B flat major chord. Going to our 4. C minor chord. G minor chord on the 5 flat. Alright, we're playing our F dominant 7 on the 5. And we're playing that beautiful motif as we always do. We're playing E flat 2, and we're playing our B flat major chord on the 1. Of course, they like to do this nice little turnaround. There you go. Let me give you that. So we're going B flat dominant 7 chord on the 1, A dominant 7 on the 7. Yeah, A flat dominant 7 on the 7 flat. G dominant 7 on the 6. We're walking on up. We're going to our C minor on the 7. Then we're going to our F diminished 7 chord. Then the rest is the same. Guys, I hope that this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the secret behind the fancy dates. Before I got married, I was dating the young woman who would later become my wife. I really wanted to impress her, so I made it my mission to take her to the nicest restaurants in town. The truth? I didn't know those fancy spots on my own. I quietly went to my mentor and supervisor at the time and asked him to put me on to some good places. Every date turned into a brand new adventure, a different restaurant, a different vibe, a different experience. From her perspective, I must have looked like a man who really knew his way around the city. There was never a dull moment. Fast forward years later, and she brought up those early days. She started talking about that guy who used to take her to all those fancy places. I had to pause and chuckle to myself, because honestly, that wasn't all me. Behind the scenes, my mentor had me looking a whole lot smoother than I really was. And you know what, honestly, I might need to call my mentor back and renew my subscription for some fresh date ideas. Life lesson. Sometimes the favor on your life is connected to the wisdom of someone God placed around you. Never be too proud to seek guidance. The right help can make you look like you've been there all along. Awesome lesson, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And also, Lee, thank you so much for that awesome request. Please come back and request more. Yes, guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell, yeah, it's a subscribe button. You know what? They tell me it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. We're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Thank you so much. You have just made my day, my year, my month. And I appreciate you. Guys, you know what? You're not just playing the music, but you are the music. This is AK. We're signing off.